frog, the turd, the bird, the dog, the cat, the nerd, the hawk, the